Hey, my friends, Troy here, coming live at you today, and I got a really cool video I want to share with you. It's more of an update video. It might not be real cool, but it's pretty cool to me. Anywho, this is for everyone that finds the video on YouTube. This is for my team. This is for people that are looking to make an extra $400, $600, $800 a week, like I do, and many others in Press One Cash. So I'm kind of going to go through 3 or 4 screens today for you, so you can kind of see transparently everything that I do. Without giving up names and personal data. But this is one of my primary affiliate programs that I've been promoting for since the beginning of the year now. And last month for my team on Facebook group I've started doing update videos to kind of show everybody how many people join each month. And I want to show you that here as well. I think it's almost exactly the same. It might be a little less because I get sidetracked like ADHD, like real bad, and I get off on like 3 other things, and then I create videos for another ClickBank deal, and then I'm over here and I'm over here, and that's just me. Hopefully somebody out there is just like me, get sideways all the time. If I could just focus an hour a day and not 20 minutes a day, we could kill this thing. So if anybody out there can focus, I need you to join me and help a brother out. All right, look, first off, Press One Cash, guys, is a super powerful affiliate program because it does 2 things. There's people out there looking to make money, and this is a really good side gig. At $200 a pop, how many do you need to make a week? 2? 3? I mean, that's a pretty good side gig, right? And think of the 38 million business owners out there that are looking for a way to get creative in promoting their business by using a SMS number, because you can call that number when you market that number however it is you want to market it. Affiliates will market it through Craigslist and SMS and things like that. Traditional business, they might put it on their business card on the side of their trucks, and when someone calls that number, instead of listening to a pre-recorded long message about the company, it tells them to press 1, and boom, they can go right to their website. You know, so it's really a unique way to market it. SMS is really big. It's an autoresponder SMS system, and I'll show you a little bit about what it looks like in our members area, so that I can't show you that. I don't know how to blur that out quite yet. But this is the back office. We have some really good training. Paul Farman and his team have done some good things as far as training, which helps us affiliates out so we don't have to do so many videos on the get started. Although if you join me, I've got some really cool bonuses and some get started videos, and I give you 100,000 leads, and I'll put you in a rotator, SMS rotator, to get you rolling. But the training back here is super cool. Instructions on how to set your back office up and how to set up your payment processor, whichever one it is. I use 4 or 5, so I'll put all of them back there. The resources are super cool, right? I'll tell you everything you need to go, the direction you need to go on all of this. This is a good part right here. Advertising online, you got newspaper print. Here's the Craigslist section right here. I'm not going to open it up because people like to copy and steal data. You can't stop it. But, you know, I'm as transparent as anyone that's honest can be, but I don't want to give up everything. I want you to come on and join me and have some fun and do what we do. But our dashboard is super easy. It's super simple. At the very top, it's got my SMS number. It's got my replicated site that I use through my funnel, which is right here, which is super cool. Leroy did a good job of these 3 videos and this little webinar. Look here. You've got to be about almost brain dead if you watch these little videos right here and you don't click this big button right now. I'm telling you, it's bad to the bone. So let's go to let me see if I can count good. Where's April 1st? Right here. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 people joined. I thought it was like 26, 27. I must have got some. What's today's date? I got to back up. That's today's date. 31 minus 2 is 29, because right here is the end of the month. There we go. Okay, 29. I did 28 last month. So that's 29 people joined me. 75% of them have already paid admin fee and rocking and rolling. Guys, look, here's my ad copy. I give you all of this. I just sent 2 guys this ad copy that joined me this week. I click on it. I give you my live ad copy. I give you the link on all of these. Okay, if you get too froggy and put too many ads at one time, they'll do this to you. And then refund all your money, and you wait a few days and you start all over again. But I've got a cool Craigslist system, a service now that you can post unlimited ads on their server, and you don't have to worry about all this junk right here. So I just put that in our Facebook group right here. When you join me, you'll be in the Press One Cash Gurus. 3 people wanting to join right now. I do not let anybody in here unless they join through me or someone on my team. Or you can get copies of these cards, how we do these cards, how we do ad copy, and a lot of different things that I put in here to make it as simple as possible for people to copy and paste and do what I do. So this is just going to be a short little video to let you know that this is a home run. This is a program that's going to go on for a long time. I mean, just think about 38 million business owners, and I think there's close to the same amount network marketers. I mean, 75 million people looking for one or two things, looking for a way to bring leads into their business or looking for a way to make an extra money as a side gig. There's no scam here. I promise you, there's no scam here. I just went through my last month of April. I just went through. If you want to see March's, just scroll down, subscribe to my channel, please. Scroll down. I'm going to do a lot of training videos coming up now this month on YouTube, ranking videos, because I want everybody on my team and that watches my videos be able to get these little digital assets, this digital oceanfront property ranked and out there, because I get a good amount of sales from my videos that I did 2 months ago and 3 months ago. So if you can understand the power of video ranking and having little ATM machines all over the place, then you'll understand the power of the training that I'm going to bring, and I'm going to show you transparently all the tools that I use that are free and paid in order for me to rank my videos. And I'm not an expert at any of this. I'm just telling you what I do and how I do it. So if you join me, you know that you can at least do what I do. And if you're a hard worker and motivated more than I am, then you could double what I do. I know there's guys out there, there's good guys out there in this program that have double and triple what I do. And hey, you've got to choose who you want to be with, and they're good guys. But I'd love to have you on my team. I've got some really killer bonuses for you. I've got some good things. I always, every month, I'm trying to add something to the team that's value, that will help you out, whether it's finding a new tool or finding a cheaper SMS blast platform that we can unite together and do a rotator in, whether it's coming up with some killer ads that are really kicking in and converting good. That's a killer tool right there too. I got like 27 softwares on this computer. I'm telling you. But look, guys, this is it, guys and gals. This is it. This is where you want to be. You want to be in this group. You want to be passing out these little cards. I love drop cards. I put them at gas stations and restaurants and throw them in the parking lots. They have those, and they have the $100 bill ones that are pretty cool too. But you know, I just wanted to let you know that things are going well. The team is growing, and I'm going to continue to do whatever I can to help everyone that joins me, not only with the bonuses, but to be there. I'm always on the phone. I try to get back to you as soon as I can. I'm just one person. That's why I put the group together, to put all the tools in there. So God bless you. Have an awesome day. I hope that you join me in Press One Cash, and let's go and rock this thing. Oh, hello, ma'am.
Hank almost got ran over.
Oh, Hank, guys, almost got run over.
Why? He was 5 inches away from the car.
I'm doing a live video.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, all right, guys. Love you. I got kids. I got to go. Peace out.